This is the demonstration of a mobile app to record details of customer as per KYC norms. We have the home screen here where we can select the persona of the individual, whether they are a staff recording the application or an actuary who's assessing the risk for the applicant, and based on that, appropriate workflow screens will appear. So here we'll select the role of staff and we'll click on the login button, which will take us to the form where we can enter the details of the person seeking the loan. We'll enter the name and the profession, and the amount for which the loan is requested, and we'll choose the form of identification the applicant is providing. If it is a national identification issued by federal authority, then we'll choose national ID. And if the applicant doesn't have an identification issued by a federal authority, then we would be required that the applicant provide us details of an introducer who can take guarantees for the applicant. In the current scenario, we choose the applicant doesn't have a identification document and provides details of an introducer. We'll now use the Submit KYC button to create a smart contract in blockchain, which will create transactions based on which further details can be looked upon in future if the applicant requires further loan details. Here we have a approval screen where an actuary can select the applicant for which the risk assessment is being done, choose the name, and issue the digital ID. The QR code of the digital ID for the applicant has been generated, and this QR code can be used to pull details from blockchain regarding the transaction for the loan sanction. If we need to add details of other applicants, we can click on the Do More button. Otherwise, we can click on the Done button, which will take us to the next screen, the login screen.